Assalamu alaikum. Have you ever crossed the age of 60? Do you feel pain in your knees while getting up or sitting down? Do you feel that the old strong grip in your hands is now weakening? If so, family members or friends often advise, brother, eat some meat to gain strength. You likely accept this because we have been told since childhood that protein only comes from meat. But today, I am going to tell you something that might surprise you. If you are relying solely on meat for strength after 60, stop immediately. You are unknowingly harming your body instead of helping it. In this video, I will tell you about 4 traditional lentils that will provide your body with the strength that meat can never provide after 60. And pay close attention to the fourth one. You will be truly amazed because the lentil people often avoid because it is heavy is actually the most powerful for this age. How your body changes after 60. First, it is vital to understand that our bodies change after the age of 60. In our youth, our digestion is very fast and we can digest almost anything. However, at this age, our digestive system slows down and our kidneys do not work as quickly as they once did. Meat, which was easily digested in your youth, now becomes a burden on the body. When you eat too much meat at this age, uric acid begins to rise, leading to swelling and pain in the joints. Your kidneys have to work much harder to filter meat protein. Consequently, the very thing meant to give you strength ends up weakening you from the inside and causing inflammation. So, where should you get your protein? The answer is hidden right in your kitchen. Traditional lentils are affordable, easy to make, and most importantly, perfectly safe for your body after 60. Without further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Moong lentil, the digestion powerhouse. The first on our list is moong lentil. Many people mistakenly believe it is only for the sick. This is a huge misconception. Moong lentil is most beneficial after age 60. Just 100 grams of moong lentil contains about 24 grams of protein, along with magnesium to relax your muscles and potassium to keep your blood pressure under control. The most special feature is that it is so light it digests in just 2 hours, whereas meat can take 4 to 6 hours, which is better. Something that gives protein in half the time or something that sits in your stomach for hours, tiring your body. To get the full benefits, try a moong lentil chilla. Soak half a cup of lentil overnight. In the morning, grind it into a slightly coarse paste. Mix in finely chopped tomatoes, onions, green chilies, ginger, and a little salt. Spread it on a griddle with a little ghee and cook on low heat until both sides are golden. This one meal provides 12 to 15 grams of protein and keep your energy high all day. Number 2. Split chickpeas lentil, the tonic for brain and diabetic. The second lentil is for those managing diabetes or blood pressure. Split chickpeas lentil has a very low glycemic index, meaning it does not cause sudden spike in blood sugar. It digests slowly, providing a continuous supply of energy. It contains zinc for the immune system, manganese for the bones, and phosphorus to keep the mind sharp. At an age when memory may begin to fade, split chickpeas lentil acts as a brain tonic. The correct way to prepare it. You must soak half a cup of split chickpeas for 2 hours to make it light and prevent gas. Combine it with half a cup of rice and 1 cup of finely chopped spinach. Saute cumin and asafoetida in ghee, add tomatoes, then add the soaked lentil, rice and 3 glasses of water. Cook on low heat for 20 minutes, adding the spinach at the very end for 2 minutes. Your lentil is ready and it will improve your overall health. Number 3, red lentils, the bone and blood builder. Now for the third lentil, which is for those whose bones are weakening or who feel constantly tired. Red lentils is often overlooked, but 100 grams contain 26 grams of protein, more than many cuts of meat. It is rich in folate for creating new blood and iron to fight fatigue. If you suffer from constipation due to a slow metabolism, its fiber will help resolve the issue. For joint pain, a red lentil soup is excellent. To prepare it, soak half a cup of lentil for 20 minutes. Saute cumin and garlic in ghee, add a tomato and a small carrot, then add the lentil and 2 glasses of water. Cook on low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. This is a crucial tip. Always squeeze fresh lemon into the soup just before serving. The vitamin C in the lemon doubles the absorption of iron in your body, helping you build blood faster. One bowl provide 18 to 20 grams of protein. Number 4, split black gram or urad lentil, the ultimate source of vitality. Finally, we came to the one you have been waiting for, white lentil or split black gram. People claim it is too heavy or causes gas, but this is a myth. White lentil is actually the most powerful lentil after 60 if prepared correctly. It contains 25 grams of protein per 100 grams, plus calcium and phosphorus that make joints and bones as strong as iron. It also contains vitamin B to support your nerves. In traditional wisdom, it is known as the lentil that increases life force and eliminates internal weakness. The secret to making it light. Always soak urad dal or white lentil overnight to remove the heaviness. Pressure cook it until soft, then saute it in desi ghee with cumin, garlic and ginger. Add onions and tomatoes with spices, let it simmer for 5 minutes and serve with fresh coriander. Eating this twice a week will make you feel a brand new level of strength in your body. The secret to complete protein. Here is the secret that doubles the power of these lentils. If you eat lentil alone, the protein may be incomplete. However, when you combine lentil with grains like lentil rice or lentil and bread, the protein becomes complete. This combination does the same work as meat but better. It is easier to digest, does not strain the kidneys, and does not increase uric acid. This is why our ancestors who lived on this diet remain strong and healthy well in their 80s and 90s with almost no bone or muscle issues. 3 habits to adopt today. To get the maximum benefits from these lentils, start these 3 habits today. Number 1, keep it thick. Do not make the lentil too watery. A thick consistency ensures you get the full nutritional density. Number 2, rotate your lentils. Do not eat the same one every day. Rotate through all food to get a variety of different nutrients. Number 3, eat it for breakfast. Start your day with lentil as a soup or chilla. Lentil eaten in the morning will provide you with sustained energy all day long. True strength is not always found in expensive foods or meats. Sometimes it is hidden in a simple bowl of lentil in your kitchen. Make these 4 lentils, moong, red lentils, split chickpeas and urad a part of your life starting today. Which of these is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.